Sinutruck Hovo NX371 tipper dump truck with remanufactured quality level, high profile. Let's have a look. With big tire 385/65R22.5 big tire. Remanufactured engine. Everywhere looks like a new one. Brand new cleaner, spare tire, new fuel tank, new tire, new rim. At the back side is 12R22.5 double tires. Brand new down box. Brand new down box. Tail light with protector. New tire, new rim, double tire. New air reservoir. New battery. The battery was protected with the lock. New silencer. New tilt pump, the other side of the engine, 371 horsepower. Inside cabin, brand new. The whole cabin is brand new. New hydraulic oil tank. New hydraulic jack. Headlight protector. Let's check the other side. This driver side. In the cabin, everything new here. Okay, this one ready to go to the port. This is a Sinutruck Hovo 371 horsepower tipper dump truck.